Hi, I wanted to address something that I noticed that is starting to come up, and I'm not trying to promote these companies at all. At all, these are just the big three trying to get into what they call the credit repair industry. But when I tell you that the credit bureaus are actually you and your information are their product that they sell, they're not really interested in helping you repair your credit, right? They're interested in getting more information or possibly be able to sell you something. Okay, so this UpTurn company, I actually logged in and everything and signed up for free, and it's supposedly that you can, repair your credit using their company. And let me just tell you right now, as interesting as it looks, this is a product of TransUnion. Okay, so you're only addressing one credit report. And the second thing is that they are actually no different than Credit Karma, where they're trying to sell you a credit card, get you a personal loan, basically get you into more debt. Okay, so there is a disputing element to it. The worst thing you can do, in my opinion, is to dispute online. Okay, disputing on paper, sending it to the bureau is the best tactic. If you have proof that you sent it, and it's just a better way to do things. And if they are in violation of your consumer rights, you have every reason to be able to take that to a consumer rights attorney, and they can help you, resolve the issue with that credit bureau or with that creditor. And in some cases, you may even give up your rights to sue them in the event, or to even redispute an item if you dispute it online. It just depends on what you're actually agreeing, the terms that we never read, that we just click and move on. So UpTurn is also, as I was signing up, it's also in, I'll show you here, they're in a pilot, so they're kind of beta. So they are testing things out, and testing them out on, using you and your data. Okay, so here you have accepted the invitation, to basically your participation in a pilot is completely voluntary and non-paid. Okay, so this is, they're testing this information that you're giving them. They're also, you're giving them access to look at your stuff as well, like maybe these other companies, these promotional companies that are trying to get you to sign up for some type of credit, possibly even get you into more debt and more trouble. Okay, so that's Upwork. And then I want, UpTurn. The next one is Experian Boost. Again, do you think Experian cares about whether or not you increase your scores or not? Okay, now I haven't signed up for this yet, and I'm going to, but I can tell you just from looking at it right away, right, that it says yes, send me important information, da 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 da, right? And then you see this here, add targeting policy. This information you want to read. You want to read all of it, okay? Because they could, the target advertising resulting from this information sharing is related to common products. Again, I believe that this is also going to be one of those things where they're going to try and solicit to you, okay? And if it's not, awesome, but remember, disputing online, try not to do it. Just avoid it. Do it on paper, always. That's the way that we do it. There's a lot of credit repair companies that they kind of like are lazy, and they do that. And I hate to say it, but they do that, and it's easy for them. It doesn't cost them any postage or any of that stuff. And I just think that spend some time, and don't be lazy about getting your credit repaired and doing it the right way. And I know all these free things, and you don't need a credit card and all that stuff to sign up. Believe me, nothing is for free. Okay, let's keep it 100. Nothing's for free. So there is an incentive for them to create some kind of product like this. Okay, and you just have to ask yourself and maybe do a little digging to find out what that is. And I will do another video on Experian when I sign up and everything, and I can give you more information. But I thought, you know what, as I'm doing this, I have to I was talking to a person who inquired on credit repair with us, and she said that she was with UpTurn, and she'd done so well, and she'd had a couple of points where she had increased her credit maybe a couple of points, and her scores were at a 490 now. Now you and I both know, I hope, that as you know, 490 would get you nothing at all, not even a slice of bread. So talk to a professional. In fact, we can look at your credit report for you, give you a free credit strategy session, figure out what you need to do so you can accomplish whatever goals that you have. We specifically love to work with people that have big goals in mind, such as I want a business, I want a house, things that are really like to the heart they want to have in their lives, and those are the things that really motivate us to help. So anyway, it's the reason why I got into this business. Love chatting with you. Hope that helped. And you can always send any questions. Send them through admin@760credit.biz. That's ADMIN. I'll put it in the little comment section. Okay. Thanks. Bye.